So we just got this outdoor camera, and actually this is the second one we have. We liked it so well we got another one, so I wanted to show you what it looks like before we get it set up. But we really like it. This one does several things. First of all, it will tilt, fully this way, to the left, to the right. You can turn it and go up and down. So what I like about it is when we have motion, when it senses motion outside, so like if it sees an animal, it's going to follow it, the motion, wherever the motion is, or a person, or whatever it is. And then this will record on your phone. It's an app, but you don't have to have a subscription. It's totally free. But the other thing I really like about this camera is it has the 4K and good night vision. So the other camera, we have a lot of cameras around our house where we live, but the other cameras we have, it's not as clear. So it's just kind of, I don't know, you just can't really detect what it is. But this camera that we have is very clear, and also at night it has night vision. So it's really good to do. You can tell what it is on your phone. It's just super easy to see. The other thing that I like is that it has, I forgot what I was going to say. It has lights that come on. So if there is motion, and so you can leave them on. It also has a siren if you want to turn a siren on, lights on, or you can go in and just turn off if you don't want the siren to go off, then you can just shut that off. You don't have to have it on. It's a good connection. We haven't had any problems with it connecting at all. So overall, it has, like with these antennas, you can put them where you want. It's easy to install. It just comes with the hardware right here, and then this you just plug it in down here on the plug-ins, and those are super easy to do. So overall, we've been very satisfied with it, haven't had any problems. So if you're just looking for a good outdoor camera, good quality, no subscription, which is a big deal, highly recommend this one. We really like ours.